Welcome to the School of Law of UCLan Cyprus, the British University of Cyprus. The School of Law is pursuing a clearly defined mission statement addressed to all. Our key mission is to offer responsible education designed to satisfy the requirements of the local and international professional markets, whilst retaining the necessary focus demanded of a top-ranked law school with international recognized research and knowledge transfer activities, and complying with the highest professional and ethical standards. The school aims to equip students, graduates, professionals, and the wider public with superior social, legal, and professional skills, and build a bridge between independent learning and critical undertaking in the modern world. Our law students benefit from our digitally driven campus, fully operational remotely, and our facilities, including Cyprus's first courtroom, to help them realize their life potential. The academics of the School of Law are all PhD holders, educated at the best universities around the world, trained professionally, and hold qualifications in teaching in higher education. They specialize in all areas of the law required at a top law school with a Cypriot, British, EU, and international focus. Our academics are also active researchers involved in nationally or internationally funded programs and publish peer-reviewed outputs of international standing. The School of Law is also very proud to host a wide range of professionals with a wealth of experience in the legal world, in Cyprus and internationally, as well as high-profile experts, including retired members of the judiciary in Cyprus and the EU, diplomats, or visiting scholars. This spread of staff enables students to bridge the gap between academic theory and day-to-day practice. This also allows the contextualization of our courses and a focus on individual learning experiences and professional paths. Our students, graduates, and alumni stand ready to face the professional world. They benefit from our many co- and extracurricular activities and from our internship and graduate traineeship program, which covers Cyprus but also the UK and the EU. Many of our students have secured employment or work placements and have been commended for their good spirit, character, knowledge, and work. They have also entered prestigious universities in the UK and other European countries for further studies, or vocational courses in England and Wales to become barristers or solicitors, but also practice law in Cyprus or wherever home is. We also make sure students develop an entrepreneurship mindset and guide them through the process of realizing their own projects and ideas. Our robust growing alumni and professional network reinforces the school's culture of continuous professional development through the design and delivery of CPD and other short courses addressed to professionals through our Law Academy. The full range of academic and scholarly law courses are provided at UCLan Cyprus, including an internationally and locally accredited Bachelor of Laws degree, LLB, a Master of Laws, LLM, with 5 specialist concentrations, a specialized Master of Laws LLM in International Business Law, and a specialized Master of Laws LLM in Financial and Commercial. Finally, from UCLan UK, a PhD in Law, the highest achievement in academic scholarship. The LLB course, unique to Cyprus, blends the English legal heritage with current English and Cyprus law. For the benefit of our local students, education on the 2 systems is combined within the modules, and in those instances where the law is very different, separate Cyprus law modules are provided. Our local students will graduate not only with an outstanding knowledge of both English and Cyprus law, but also have knowledge of all legal terminology in both English and Greek, besides fluency in both languages, essential in an ever more globalized world. But the course has been designed in such a way so that the students can avoid, if they want, all instruction in Cyprus law, be taught entirely in the English language, and follow regular UK LLB curriculum. Like with any other UK LLB degree, the 7 foundations of legal knowledge, criminal law, equity and trust, law of the European Union, contract, tort, land law, and public law are compulsory for all. The theory of law is well represented on the LLB course at various levels, presenting a deeply rooted explanation of common law principles. At the same time, the LLB at UCLan Cyprus is extremely modern and skillful, placing strong emphasis at various levels on English laws, skills and practices of commercial contracts and companies which rule today's global business world. The LLB at UCLan Cyprus is the only law degree on the island validated by the Solicitors Regulatory Authority and Bar Standards Board of England and Wales. Exclusive in Cyprus, LLB graduates from UCLan Cyprus shall obtain the same qualifying law degree with identical rights, privileges and entitlements as any LLB graduate from an English or Welsh university. As a result, our graduates will have the opportunity to sit their professional law exams in London, for instance, without having to return to university in order to obtain a qualifying law degree first. During these challenging economic times globally, it is important to know that a UK qualifying law degree is accepted by law professional bodies in a number of different countries around the world, including Cyprus and other countries of the Commonwealth. Additionally, the LLB has also been recognized as a qualifying law degree by the Cyprus Legal Council. Some of the features of the LLB course include a strong emphasis on co- and extracurricular activities with enhanced student experience and legal skills, links with the legal profession and international exposure. Modules are taught by a mix of academics, practicing or non-practicing solicitors or barristers in England and Wales, and qualified lawyers in Cyprus. Professional modules such as placements or independent study-based, like project and dissertation, are offered. Much practice happens in the first moot court room in Cyprus during classes and extracurricular activities. The moot court room is digitally equipped to connect with the rest of the world. Extracurricular activities can be campus-based, cross-campus, external or international. They include annual moting competitions, modular nations, participation in competitions, contributing to the UCLan Cyprus Law blog, participating to public lectures, dinners, networking events, internships, and short courses. We deliver many option modules, not always offered elsewhere, including consumer law, commercial law, business law, company law, private international law, public international law, comparative law, EU single market law, or human rights. In addition to the 7 foundations of legal knowledge compulsory to obtain a qualifying law degree in the UK, all subjects examined by the Cyprus Legal Council to become a practicing lawyer in Cyprus are offered, either as full modules or as extracurricular modules. The LLB is taught and assessed through face-to-face delivery and large groups, lectures and small groups, seminars, and online activities supplementing the face-to-face delivery. Students can transfer from other institutions and get up to half of the credits required to gain an LLB recognized by UCLan Cyprus. Students can start the LLB either in October or in January of every year, full-time or part-time. The Masters of Laws, or LLMs, at UCLan Cyprus will enable students to focus on a range of very different subjects of use in their professional careers, but also specialize in a range of exciting fields of law for those preferring an hour of focus. By introducing new special option modules, 5 areas of concentration have been developed in the generic LLM in law in the fields of international energy law, EU law, law and international security, international business law, also offered as a specialized LLM, and financial commercial law, also offered as a specialized LLM. A large panoply of modules and subjects is offered under the LLM law. In the generic LLM, 1 compulsory module, 5 optional modules, and 1 dissertation must be attempted. Within industry, international business law is a fast-changing and increasingly complex area. The Llm International Business Law provides students with the required analytical and reflective skills and expertise in the field. It provides the successful candidate with a recognized postgraduate qualification in international business law. It offers very attractive compulsory and optional modules, including international commercial litigation, international commercial arbitration, international sale of goods, international commercial mediation, WTO law and policy, or intellectual property law. As a specialized LLM award title, 4 compulsory modules, 2 option modules, and 1 dissertation need to be attempted. Within finance and commerce, law is a fast-changing and increasingly complex area. The LLM in financial and commercial law will enable students to specialize in the field of use to their professional career in law, business, or financial fields, both nationally and internationally. It provides the successful candidate with a recognized postgraduate qualification in financial and commercial law. It offers very attractive compulsory and optional modules, including the following: international corporate governance, banking and financial services regulation, law of international financial transactions, or shipping and maritime commercial law. As a specialized LLM award title, 4 compulsory modules, 2 option modules, and 1 dissertation must be attempted. The LLMs are available to students from both a legal and non-legal background. Classes are taught during the late afternoons and evenings. The courses do not have any examinations, but are assessed through a mix of oral and written assessments. Emphasis is placed on private research and study, assisted by the university's outstanding law resources and databases. Class contact time is limited, reflective of a desire to offer a world-class course of interest to the talented, serious, and dedicated students, whilst providing the necessary flexibility for those juggling other professional and personal commitments. UCLan Cyprus graduates have gained or developed careers in multinational and domestic law firms, global and local corporations, banking institutions, the foreign exchange market, the shipping industry, government bodies, and a variety of other organizations and regulatory fields. Some of the key features of the LLMs include a strong emphasis on core and extracurricular activities with enhanced student experience, links with the legal profession and the industry, and international exposure. Modules are taught by a mix of academics practicing or non-practicing solicitors or barristers in England and Wales, or qualified lawyers and other professionals in Cyprus. Classes are held in late afternoon evening with attendance 2 or 3 times a week if studying full-time, less if studying part-time. Oral and written skills are assessed. There are no written examinations. The LLMs are taught and assessed through face-to-face delivery in small groups or seminars and online activities supplementing the face-to-face delivery. The topics are carefully chosen to satisfy the employment requirements of both the Cypriot and international market. Students can transfer from other institutions and get credits recognized by UCLan Cyprus. Students can start the LLMs either in October or in January of every year, full-time or part-time. Students gain privileged access to executive education programs at UCLan Cyprus. Students can gain a postgraduate certificate by successfully completing 3 modules, or a postgraduate diploma by successfully completing 6 modules, or an LLM award by successfully completing 6 modules plus the dissertation. The School of Law has achieved professional recognition nationally and internationally in many forms. First of all, through the professional recognition of the LLB by the Solicitors Regulatory Authority and Bar Standards Board, respectively, the regulatory bodies for solicitors and barristers in England and Wales, since 2012. With this important accreditation, unique in Cyprus, the LLB at UCLan Cyprus is recognized as a qualifying law degree, providing exemption from the academic stage of professional legal training for those who wish to become solicitors or barristers. Additionally, the LLB has also been recognized as a qualifying law degree by the Cyprus Legal Council since October 2016. Since 2019, the School of Law is also duly accredited by the Cyprus Bar Association and issues CPD units directly to professionals for short courses and events attended. The school also benefits from collaborations for certification or professional recognition for short courses or specialized modules, leading to academic or professional credits. The LLM module in International Commercial Mediation leads to the professional qualification of Mediator, recognized by the UK Civil Mediation Council and the Ministry of Justice and Public Order of the Republic of Cyprus. International Commercial Arbitration is yet another LLM module recognized professionally, by the UK Chartered Institute of Arbitrators at associate level, allowing students, successful participants, to use the post-nominal letters ACR. The school has also benefited from international distinction in its research by securing externally funded projects at the EU and international level. The Jean Monnet module entitled The Law of Financial and Economic Governance in the EU, or FEGOV, 2014-2017, co-founded by the EU under the Erasmus Plus program, was awarded the label Success Story and Good Practice by the European Commission upon its completion in 2018. Finally, academics at the school benefit from key academic or professional appointments and achievements at the national, EU and international level. 2 academics of the School of Law have been appointed as experts to the legal services of the Republic of Cyprus, while many more offer their expertise to the European Union and its agencies, to the Council of Europe, or to other national and international institutions or organizations.